Welcome to the Mayor's New Year's message to residents and friends of Montgomery, and also family and friends from further afield. Firstly, I hope you all had a very festive Christmas, and we must now look forward to a completely new year where everyone can hopefully soon get together with family and friends again, even though there are extra restrictions in place for the time being. Secondly, I would like to thank the town's hospitality businesses, shops and services for their endless dedication to us all. On behalf of myself, the Mayoress Jane, Town Clerk and fellow councillors, we wish you all a very happy, healthy and prosperous 2021. I now hand you over to our Town Crier Sue for the countdown. Happy New Year to you all.
They're ready, folks, for the countdown to send out the year 2020 and bring in the year 2021. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, everyone! A Blwyddyn Newydd Dda! All together, we'll now sing Auld Lang Syne.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot for Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. And there's a hand, my trusty friend, give me a hand of thine, and we will take a goodwill draught for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne.
Quiet! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Good citizens of Montgomery and visitors to our historic town, from the Montgomery Town Crier, I bid you a happy and sincere New Year 2021. A Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. Let's leave behind us the sadness and the sorrow of 2020. We look forward to better family living, be able to meet our friends in freedom, and enjoy good health and lots of socialization. Be happy, be healthy, and children, a very hard-working year to come. God blessings to you all, and love to all the children.